Hi lovely, welcome to our part 9 home update video. Our living room is finally coming together. Our new coffee table and wall art is here. So we will unbox and set them up. We will secure our floor mirror and entryway table to the wall. Do a few Amazon unboxing. Tune in until the end. Consider subscribing before you go. Now let's get right into it. This smiling face slipper is from Amazon. It comes in different color. It is cute and comfortable. I'll link it below for you and would suggest for you to choose one size up if you decide to get it.
It's like you know me in the depths of my heart. We're dreamers. Don't care what other people say. We live it like this could be a final day. We're dreamers. Don't care what the others say. We're doing this in our way. We come alive in the nighttime. It's something about how we dance in the moonlight. That look in your eyes.
Moving on to unboxing our new spin mop with bucket and broom and dustpan set we got from Amazon.
We come alive. We come alive. We come alive. What's your weakness? What's your type? Somehow I wanna know all about you. Deep connection lights a spark. You already know me when we dance in the dark. We're dreamers. We're living. We're dreamers. We're doing this in our way. We come alive in the nighttime. It's something about how we dance in the moonlight. That look in your eyes, it tells me that you want me and all my loving. We come alive in the nighttime. You and I, we come alive. Oh, we come alive. We come alive. Oh, we come alive. Tell me that you want me. I can see you want me by the look in your eyes. Tell me that you want me. I can see you want me by the look in your eyes. We come alive. We come alive. We come alive in the nighttime. It's something about how we dance in the moonlight. That look in your eyes, it tells me that you want me and all my loving. We come alive in the nighttime. You and I, we come alive. Oh, we come alive. We come alive. We come alive. We come alive.
I don't wanna stay here, no. Ain't gonna keep it low now. If you wanna go, let's go. Let's wrap it up and hit the road. I just gotta...
I've been searching for the right piece of art for our living room to go on the wall above our sofa. I wanted something natural and organic, something not too busy or colorful. This Crate and Barrel Dune bleached wood wall art is it. It is perfect for our living room space. This art will also look good in any bedroom. It was in back order and I tell you that it was worth the wait. We'll go ahead and hang it on the wall.
Through the summer night, and when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night. This summer night, this summer night. Sleeping in the back of a van, roaming in the wilderness. We don't ever need a plan. We'll be alright, just you and I. Singing from the top of our lungs. gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night, and when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night, this summer night.
Our wall art turned out so beautiful. What do you think, lovely? Let me know in the comments below. Now moving on to unboxing our coffee table that we have been eagerly waiting for over 3 months. This coffee table had the largest vote on my Instagram story poll out of the 10 other coffee tables. Honestly, it was in my top 3 list, but you all made it easier for me to decide on which one to go for, so thank you. I'm happy I went with this Westelm Monty Lava Stone coffee table, and I can't wait to show you what it looks like at the end. Because this coffee table resembles the look and feel of an aged stone, it brought an organic element to our living room. And the other thing I like about this coffee table is it is suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. So if I want to repurpose it in the future, I can put it on our outdoor space. So it is perfect. Our dining chair's fabric is not a performance fabric, and with 2 little ones, it is easier to get it dirty real quick. So to help make cleaning easier, we got this fabric water shield spray from Amazon, which waterproofs the fabric on the chairs. Now we will cover the non-fabric area of the chairs and move on to spraying.
I had a feeling you'd come back and save me from all those lonely nights and heartbreaks, and I feel misplaced without you. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to, never wanted to end it like we did. I guess shit happens for a reason, but it's like something feels different from back then. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to? Honestly, I'm open wide. I don't feel like waking up without you by my side. I still see your silhouette. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to your bedroom?
We changed our hallway and entryway lighting to the CB2 Bell White Flush Mount light. It comes in a black as well. This light is so lovely. It transformed our space and brought so much value for the price.
From all my slip-ups and mistakes, and I'm just pointless without you. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to, never wanted to end things like we did. I'm sorry for all those promises I made you.
Moving on to securing our house floor mirror with this anti-trip furniture strap we got from Amazon. If you are new here and you have watched this far, thank you for being here. My name is Ethiopia. I'm a wife, a stay-home mom of 2. If you are into home decor, cleaning motivation, motherhood lifestyle, this channel is for you. I invite you to subscribe with notifications bell on for more exciting home update videos, and follow me on Instagram for daily updates.
It doesn't even make sense why I think about you. It was only one night, only that time, and it's not my style to be caught up in the middle like this. 'Cause now I dream about you. I was probably too drunk, it's blurry, but I've got the image of you running circles in my mind right now. And it could fade away, but it probably won't, and I should let it be. But I'm gonna dive in with you, and maybe I'll drown. What can I do? And it will be alright to let me down. Rather we try than let these feelings slide. So I'm gonna dive into you.
It doesn't even make sense why we try to fight it.
Now we'll go ahead and secure our house console table to the wall using this anti-trip furniture strap that came with the table.
You make me nervous. I think I might be hooked on you. I love the things you said to me. It seems like you like me too. We can take it slow, make sure we do this right. Canceled all my plans.
On to opening our new Our House Runner rug for our entryway. It came in a package using this 2-in-1 sealer and cutter portable mini machine that we got from Amazon a while back. This little machine is very convenient to carry and store.
To me, trying to find another way to say this, but I think we were meant to be.
To seal any bag, all you have to do is press the cover to clamp the bag and slide slowly from one side to the other. I was surprised to see how it sealed the bag perfectly. I'll make sure to link it below for you.
It's 2 a.m. and I can't fall asleep, 'cause I'm not tired. I'm thinking about the days we used to shine when we were young. I told you that we should start a band and reach for the sky. It's 2 a.m. and I can't fall asleep. I'm just not tired. I can hear the
I love how this Theo Jute rug looks with our console table. I ordered felted rug pad from Our House. We should be here in about 2 weeks. That was a lovely. I hope you enjoyed my video today. If you do, like and drop your comment below. Until I see you on my next home update video, this is Ethiopia saying goodbye.
We were such a constellation, right? No, you'd agree.